Hey everybody, my name is Beth Riggin-Shepard. I am the Arts and Humanities librarian, and I wanted to walk you really quickly through locating the permalink for an article in a database interface that sometimes can be less than user-friendly. And the database I want to demonstrate this in is a database called Hein Online, and Hein Online is largely social sciences, legal research. So really quickly, I've done a very basic search for the 25th Amendment. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the title of the article that I want to share with my students or share with someone else, put in Canvas, whatever. You'll see in this database that there's a bunch of, once I've clicked on the title, there are a bunch of options I can do with this file. I can open it in Adobe, I can download it. What you want to look for are these little like chain necklace things, or I guess just a chain. And this is the permalink to that page. So we want to click on the permalink, and then this is the link that you will then copy and paste or include into your Canvas course shell. Again, we do this because we get use statistics from these clicks and we can't track downloads, right? So we can't know what students are using or what you're using if you download the article and include it into your Canvas as a PDF. So that's really basic. There you go. There's Hein Online.